Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use the Claude AI to generate Python code snippets step by step. First, open your Claude AI in your browser and start a new chat. In the message box, type a clear instruction about what you need. For example, write a Python code snippet to sort a list of numbers in ascending order. Next, press enter and Claude will instantly provide the code block. It usually comes formatted for easy copying, so you can paste it directly into your Python editor. If the snippet isn't exactly what you need, refine your request. You can say some things like add comments to each line or change it to sort in descending order. You can also ask Claude to combine features such as reading input from a file, creating loops, or including error handling in the same snippet. Finally, once you are satisfied, copy the code into your Python environment, run it, and make any final adjustments as needed. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.